You think you can escape this finder?
Let's go fishing.
What's good, pond hoppers? We're out here today doing what we're known for, hopping ponds. Keep going with us.
Music bed.
All right, little Fippy right here. Got a little fishy.
Got a nice little smallmouth bass. I like my 100th cast. Feeling good, man. He hit that thing like a train.
About time.
For real.
Letting him go. My little fish. Oh. My little fishy.
He's got some sharp teeth, dude. He's gonna be a big one. We're out here today in the local pond. Gotta catch some huge bass.
Music bed.
We've been fishing here for about an hour and a half. Just reeled in a nice 1.5 pound bass. He was a fighter for sure. Gonna release him.
All right, so I just caught a big fish with my personal best. Too busy fighting it, so we forgot to.
Couldn't get it. Couldn't get any footage on it.
But it was a big
It was a big one.